guys, it's Shy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought we would put this little guy to the test. This is the Milani Stay Put Brow Color. I love brow pomade and I always use the Anastasia. I've used the ColourPop as well, so if we can find another affordable brow pomade, I thought that would be fantastic. I picked this up at CVS, but before we get into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and join the party. You're here anyway, so you might as well. And if you'd like, go ahead and click that notification bell. It will keep you updated on all of the newness, and I do upload 3 to 5 times a week. That being said, let's get into it. So this one, I did get it in medium brown. Normally my hair is black. You can probably see my blonde roots right now. I'm actually going blonde with my hair in like a week and a half. So I picked up medium brown because I figured it would look probably better with that. So it says it defines, fills, and sculpts brows. It does come with a little brush, so let's just open it up. I think it's cool that it comes with a little brush as well, because if you didn't have a brow brush, that would be perfect. So we'll try that brush too. So the brush already broke, so that's fun. The spoolie part came off, but I mean, it's not a bad idea. I just think maybe this part is loose, so I'm just gonna bend it. Like, you can literally bend it or put glue and it'll stay, but just bend it back in like that. We'll see if it works. Yeah, so let's give them a quick little spoolie. The spoolie is nice. And mine could have just been defective. Like, that doesn't mean it's going to necessarily happen with yours either. And then I like how thin the little brush is too, so you can really get your eyebrows nice and defined. So for medium brown, this is our shade. It's pretty neutral, which I appreciate. It's not appearing too warm or too cool. I am going to do a quick little swatch. Yeah, that seems like a really nice brow color, actually. Hey. So I am going to use my Fenty little mirror here, and the first thing I always like to do is define underneath and then go over with it. So let's try it. And then dragging it over. It's not bad so far. And I actually like the brush. I mean, other than the little mishap we had, but I mean, that's easily fixed. Really nice coverage, and it's really easy to work with. Now for the front portion, I like to just brush it up, the product, and blend it through like that, so it's a little bit more natural looking in the front. See if it works with this. Okay, this worked pretty good. Let me just redefine this little section. That looks really nice. Okay, let's do the other brow and then cut underneath. So again, just taking it underneath. I like to do like little strokes with it, because my eyebrows are definitely sisters. They are not twins. They are shaped weirdly differently. I was a 90s child when we tweezed the hell out of all of our eyebrows. Yeah, I was one of those. She's still trying to grow back. Okay. And then just slowly filling it in. Really like this so far. I'm gonna also do a wear test with this as well, guys, just so we can see how it holds up. You know, because a lot of times, like, it'll look nice at first and then starts looking a little crazy. I really do like that so far. I think this is gonna be a perfect eyebrow shade for when we start going lighter with my hair next week. So if you were looking for like a darker brown, this is not that deep. So, I mean, I would stick true to what this says, where it says it's more of a medium brown. I think this is, you know, not, it's a little bit lighter than like other medium browns I've used, but I'm not mad at it. I actually Googled swatches online, so I knew like about what I was gonna be getting, but this is applying beautifully. Okay, so I am gonna close this up, and then I am going to cut underneath my brows. I am going to use my e.l.f. concealer brush, and where is my concealer? Here we go. My ColourPop No Filter concealer. This is in Light 16, and just using a little bit underneath just to cut it out, and I'll show you guys how I cut it. So I'll go right underneath here. And take your time as well if you're not used to cutting your eyebrow underneath, because you could always accidentally cut away too much of the color and it's hard to come back from that, especially if you get concealer in your eyebrows. And then just blending this downward to use as an eyeshadow base as well. And then I like to just blend out the corners too. And there we have a cut brow. So I'm gonna quickly finish the rest of my makeup and then come back in with my final thoughts. All right guys, and we are back. This is my makeup look for the day. I am living for the brows. I really, really like them so far. I was just taking forever to do my makeup, so my brows have been on for a good minute now. Now that they've dried down, like they're not coming off. And the more I rub like my hand one, it's not coming off either. So I think it's gonna be really nice wear. I've been swatching and playing, but like literally I am scrubbing it on my hand and it's still there. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna consider that enough instead of doing a full-blown wear test, because like she's not going anywhere. Like what? Like the shadow next to it, she's going places. She's going everywhere, but this is like not budging, which is really, really cool. So if you guys have been looking for an affordable brow pomade, pick up some Milani. That's insane. I'm so excited. Now, I forgot to tell you guys actually how much product comes in it. Let me see if it says. It's 2.6 grams of product, and this is a pretty good amount, because for brows, like a little goes a long way, and for the price point, like I don't think you can beat it, guys. I'm super excited. If anything starts happening weird, I will put it in the description box for you guys. Like if it starts drying out on me, if anything, I don't know, weird happens, I will for sure put it there. But I am going to conclude this video with these brows are good, and I'm into it, and I'll pick up more colors if need be. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.